Hey everyone, Sister Michelle here from SisterDIY.com. Today we are making pumpkin waffles. We're going to start with roasting our pumpkin. To do that, I'm just going to cut it in half, place the sides face down on a baking sheet, and roast it in the oven at 375 degrees for 35 to 45 minutes. You can test for doneness by sticking a knife in it. You can definitely remove the seeds before you roast your pumpkin, but I find them easier to remove after. Next, I'm going to put all of the pumpkin into a bowl and then puree it. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 cup of pumpkin puree, 2 eggs, 1 1/4 cup flour, a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice, 1 cup of milk, a teaspoon of vanilla, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and a 1/4 cup of butter or oil. I'm starting with the puree, then adding the eggs, sugar, milk, and vanilla. Mix it really well and then add your butter and oil mixture. Most often I like to use both, so I'm using a tablespoon of butter and an 1/8 cup of coconut oil. Next, I'm going to combine all of the dry ingredients and then gently mix it into the wet just until it's fully mixed. To cook the waffles, I'm using this waffle maker that has been preheated and oiled. I'm also using a ladle so that my waffles are about the same size. Now I'm just going to cook them all until they're done. And there you have it, homemade pumpkin waffles. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video and I'll see you on the next one.